In today's video, I'll teach you how to use all email login. First of all, what you have to do is launch up an all email login application. If you do not have this application, you can download it from Play Store and App Store. You can see over here all email login application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. In the home interface, you'll be able to find various email accounts over here. From here, you'll be able to manage multiple email accounts in one place or sign into the multiple accounts at once. Over here, you can see Gmail, Yahoo, Outlook has already been added. You can simply tap on this add option. Now after you do that, you can see over here you'll be able to add more email accounts. You'll be able to see the options like Proton, Office 365, OneMail, etc. You can simply tap on the options that you would like to add. Now after you do that, what you can do is simply tap on this option, add items. Now you can see over here that particular email account will also be added. If you want to sign into that email account, what you have to do is tap on the email account that you want to sign into. For example, here I'm just going to tap on this option, Gmail. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. You'll be able to manage your Gmail account from here. You can simply sign into your account, tap on this option, sign in. Now after you do that, you can see over here you'll be able to sign into your Gmail account. What you have to do is enter your email or phone number over here. After you do that, tap on this option, next. Likewise, enter your password. Now after you enter your password, tap on this option, next. Once you do that, you can see over here you'll be logged into your Gmail account and you'll be able to manage it. You can simply go back. Now you can simply log into other email accounts as well. Also, you'll be able to find the option for templates over here. If you tap on it, you'll be able to generate the templates. You'll be able to find various options over here. You'll be able to find the options like business, personal, daily use. Here I'm just going to tap on the option personal. Now what you have to do is simply answer the questions over here. Keep answering the questions. Now enter the name of the friends and your name. Once you do that, tap on the next option. Now you can see over here the template will be generated for you. You can simply copy it. Now you can go back and open the email account through which you can send this email. So like this, you can also generate the template in this application. Also, you'll be able to access the settings. For that, tap on the settings option that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now once you do that, you'll be able to access the settings like manage email, statistics, call features, languages, readers, share app, etc. So like this, you'll also be able to access the settings. So that is how you use all email login. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.